Telehealth. It's a very important topic if you are a Medicare retiree, a snowbird, and you like to fly somewhere else for the winter. So you're down in Florida, but you'd like to continue your care through telehealth with your doctor back up north. And the problem is not, does Medicare allow it? Because Medicare allows it. Right now, through the end of 2027, Medicare allows telehealth. Telehealth has been stopped, started, expanded, threatened to end. That's been in the news a lot since COVID. But right now, there is telehealth through Medicare through the end of 2027. But for you as a snowbird, your problem is not the Medicare component. It's the state licensing for your doctor. So if I go to Florida for the winter, my doctor has to be licensed in Florida to treat me through telehealth. So if I'm in Indiana and I see my doctor and I said, hey, I'm going to be in Florida for the winter, can we do telehealth? My doctor could say, sure, but then you got to make sure your doctor's licensed in Florida. Because if your doctor's not dually licensed in both states, most doctors are not, then your doctor can't do the telehealth appointment. So, do people lie and say, hey, I'm in southern Indiana, I'm not in Florida? Don't be a party to fraud in any context. Don't do that. So there are some doctors that get in the multi-state licensing program because they do have a lot of snowbird clients. And so they do have multiple state licenses. It's not common though, not common. You can ask your doctor, but it's probably not going to be the answer that you want. That if you're going to do telehealth, you're going to be doing it with doctors licensed within the state that you are residing. So not the good news that you guys wanted to hear, but I'm not always here to give you the good news. Most of the time I'm just trying to explain the bad news. And a lot of times it's because you guys are mad at the doctor, but most doctors don't have multi-state licenses, you know? So here I'm in the position of defending the doctors. Sometimes you make me defend the insurance companies. I hate it when you make me defend the government. But you know, all these rules, my goal and our goal at the Medicare family is just to explain it to you, be a resource to help you navigate it. And if you need help, book a free appointment online. Go to themedicarefamily.com. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel if you want to learn more. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.